Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to install easy lockpicking mode in Dying Light the Beast. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to check my video description for this link. Just select the link, scroll down, go to files, and select the manual download option. Select the slow download option and it will start downloading. If you are new to the site, then you will be redirected to do the login page. You just need to log into this site, guys. If it doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account, and then select the slow download option, and it will be download done. And after getting download done, right click and select WinRAR and select the extract to. After the extract done, double click on the easy lock picking. Drag it to left on right side. I'm creating a new file explorer. Navigate to the game folder, guys. fph underscore ft source. Just drag and drop the file we copied. Then just close stuff here and launch the game. I doesn't know how to check this mod. That's why I'm new to this game, and what the mod does I doesn't know. But the people who are already playing this game definitely know this. So I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.